4 bulla and 1 patty. 4 bulla and a patty. Yeah. It's a boy fancy cat. And I did have to stop and tell him about it. Fort Lauderdale, Lauderhill, the Performance Center, the 28th of April. It's all about the big roots play from out of Jamaica name. 4 bulla and 1 patty.
She says, John, it goes over. I will soon be dead. You can't have stupidity. You think I had to come on my yard last night. You think I should go home today?
On the need for check it out. Ticket number go like hot bread. Yeah, 40, 55 and $65. Remember show time is all about 5 o'clock, so the chat them out.
Joyce, oh Joyce, you are my choice. I sell flour, I sell sugar, I sell rice. 4 tins of mackerel for $300. For chicken back, you owe me $250. But Joyce, oh Joyce, I'll forget it if you only kiss me.